Very good morning traders, welcome to MST School of Trading. See, every day we are following the same indicator named iCore 2.0 premium indicator. If you are not subscribed to our YouTube channel and Telegram channel, please subscribe so that whenever I release any update you will be getting immediately. So let us run the market now. I am showing for the crude oil MCX market in the evening session. So our entry is 6547. So we are waiting for the entry. We got the entry. So 6545 is our low made and immediately our targets have been hit. So now what we have to do, once the buy got activated, we have to remove the sell entry. If the sell got activated, we have to remove the buy entry. So now I am enabling first buy targets, removing the first sell and second buy. So second sell will be there. If SL hit, we have to go for the reversal entry. So I have kept a small targets. So if you want, you can keep normal targets and you can enable extra target also, because yesterday we have got a very good movement. So immediately all the three targets have been achieved. So let us see for the next. So market is moving towards upside. 5 targets have been hit. So let us see whether we are able to get the third target, sixth target. So we have kept 1:2 ratio. See, all the targets have been hit. So starting from 6545 is the low and our entry was 6547. This we know well in advance. So it is not that once the market has come down, it is giving the buy signal. Once the market has reached down, it will give the sell. It is not so. So when before the market comes, we are getting the entry. So that is the advantage of our indicator. So hope this is clear. If you have any doubts, please contact us on the given number 9447386620 or 9500009154. Thank you all for watching our video. Keep supporting us so that we will be giving extra features at nominal fee. Thank you all. Bye bye. All the best.